One of the things we've seen recently in the Santa Clarita Valley especially are ADA lawsuits. These are lawsuits where someone who claims to be disabled will go into a business looking for violations. Is the carpeting too thick? Is the door handle too high? Is the mirror too high? Are the aisleways too narrow? These kinds of problems come with statutory violations. A single violation, automatically $4,000, plus attorney's fees. So when these lawsuits arise, they are often a big problem for a small business because, they have 2 bathrooms and the mirrors are too high. That's $8,000 right there. Just no questions, no ifs, no debates, no defenses to it. It either is or it isn't. And we've been seeing that happen more and more in the Santa Clarita Valley. The good thing is that a lot of the businesses up here are pretty new, so they're compliant with the most recent ADA standards, but there are still a number of businesses that were built prior to 2010 and might have sidewalks that don't have ramps, or the doors are not properly installed, and those kinds of things that are not ADA compliant. So we've been recommending to many of our small business clients that are like retail establishments, restaurants, fast food, those sorts of things, that will retain an expert whose job it is to go into businesses and find violations so they can be corrected before you're sued. While that costs the business money, it is a pittance in comparison to the statutory penalties that come along with these lawsuits, on top of legal fees that are associated with it. So, a client will spend maybe $2,000 to $5,000 for one of these evaluations, and then maybe usually just a few $100s for any repairs that might need to be made. But in the long term, it's going to save them literally tens of thousands of dollars in potential ADA violations down the road.